The first show of 2024 is IIJS Signature, and this time, besides taking place in the Bombay Exhibition Centre, the show is also taking place at the Jio World Convention Centre. Let me take you through the key highlights of the show from Jio World Convention Centre. For the very first time, there's a special pavilion known as the Select Club, which has hand-selected 59 companies exhibiting in high couture jewellery. And now let's see the other product categories exhibited in the Jio World Convention Centre. I also saw loose gemstones, gemstone-studded jewellery, diamond jewellery, educational laboratories.
It was a wonderful experience being a part of the IIJS Signature Show, and now I look forward to the IIJS Tritiya, which is happening from 5th to 8th of April in Bangalore.